Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today I will explain lesson 4, Food for Health. My needs food. Food is very important for us. We need food to live and grow. Plants, animals and human beings all need food to stay alive. Food is the need of every person from which we get energy. Plants also need food to stay alive. Food is needed for animals. All living beings need food. We all need food to grow, fight diseases, get energy, be active and healthy. Healthy food keep us physically and mentally fit. That means healthy foods are good for our body. The next one, sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and spices from plants. From where do we get food? Plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables. Cereals means what? A type of grass such as wheat, rice or oats cultivated for its edible grains. Pea, ground pea, garden beans, these are example of pulses. Turmeric, pepper, ginger, these are example of spices. These all the things we will get from plants. A diet which keeps us healthy is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet is combination of right kinds of food in right quantity. A balanced diet is a meal which has different nutrients required for good health. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a combination of right kinds of food in right quantity. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Cow and goat give us milk. Hen give us eggs. Goat and hen give us meat. See, we get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Some people eat food obtained from plants only. They are called vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat meat, eggs or fish. Who are vegetarian? Vegetarian eat only plants product. They are called vegetarian. Look at here, some vegetarian foods are here. People who eat food obtained from both plants and animals are called non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian eat both, means plants product and animals product. They are called non-vegetarian. Some non-vegetarian foods are here. Okay. Kinds of food. All the different types of food which we eat, they are able to protect us and fight us. Kinds of food means the three main types of foods are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. First one, energy giving food. Rice, wheat, potatoes, butter, ghee and other food containing sugar are called energy giving foods. We need energy to do work and play. Look at here, some energy foods are here. Rice, wheat, potato, sweets and ghee. These are energy giving food. These food give us energy to work and play. Then next one, body building food. Pulses, cereals, milk, meat, eggs and fish are called body building foods. They help us to grow and make us body strong. Look at here, pulses, cereals are here. Pea, milk, meat, fish and egg. These are body building food. Protective food. Food like green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, oranges and apples protect the body from diseases. They are called protective food. Look at here, some fruits and leafy vegetables are here. These are protective food. This protective food keep us away from all the different diseases. So fruits and vegetables are very important for our body. Milk is a complete food. It is very helpful for growth in children. It is a rich source of calcium. Calcium helps to build strong and healthy bones and teeth. Look at here, one boy is drinking milk. So children, every day you should drink milk. Some foods can be eaten raw while others need to be cooked. Eating raw vegetables and fruits in the form of salad is good for health. Vegetable salad and fruit salad are good for health. Vegetables like cucumber and tomatoes can be eaten raw. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. See, look at here. One boy is washing fruits. This is a good habit. We must never overcook food. Overcooking destroys the nutrients in the food. The next point, water. Water is very important for good health. Water helps us to digest food, get rid of the waste in the body and keep our skin healthy. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a body. What is the meaning of digest food? The food that we eat is crushed into glucose. This is known as digestion of food. This crushed food is divided into good food and waste food in the body. Then the waste food is thrown out of our body. So children, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Good eating habits. We all should have good habits of eating. Eat food at fixed times. Wash your hands before and after eating meals. Breakfast at morning time, lunch at afternoon, dinner at night. Eat breakfast, lunch and dinner at a correct time. Before eating, wash fruits, vegetables and pulses properly. Neither eat too much nor eat too little. You should not eat in more quantity nor in little quantity. Chew food properly. Eat only fresh and healthy food. Do not talk while eating. Do not buy food from street vendors. What is the meaning of street vendors? Street vendors means outside food. Eat lot of green vegetables and fresh fruits. Uncovered food causes many diseases. Uncovered foods are not good for healthy. Once again I will read the good eating habits. Eat food at fixed times. Wash your hands before and after eating meals. Before eating, wash fruits, vegetables and pulses properly. Neither eat too much nor eat too little. Chew food properly. Eat only fresh and healthy food. Do not talk while eating. Do not buy food from street vendors. Eat lots of green vegetables and fresh fruits. Variety in food. India is a land of diversity and has a variety of dresses, languages and food. Have you tried North Indian and South Indian food? Yes children, North Indian is another type of food, South Indian is another type of food. These food eaten in any area depends upon the crops and geographical conditions prevalent in that area. People living in areas around the coast eat a lot of fish as it is easily available. All the students come from different backgrounds and bring different kinds of food. We must try to share as much as we can and enjoy all kinds of food. We should respect the diversity of food habits. People of different age groups need different food and even in different quantities. Very small children need milk and soft food, such as porridge in small quantities. A growing child eats all kinds of food in a greater quantities than that of a baby. An adult needs a balanced diet that contains cereals, pulses, and vegetables. Very old people need soft and easily digest food. Children, look at here. Very small children. Very small children means kids. They want milk and soft food in a small quantities. Then growing child means you all are. You want all kinds of food, energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. An adult means your parents, uncles, aunts. They want balanced diet food. Example, cereals, pulses and vegetables. The last group, very old people means your grandparents. They are eating soft and easily digestible food. Healthy food versus junk food. We know that we should always eat healthy food. It keeps our body fit and help us to grow. We must try to keep away from junk food as it is not healthy and make us sick. Some example of junk food that we daily see around us are chips, pizzas, burgers, French fries, cool drinks, etc. Look at here what boy is eating junk food. Junk food is not good for health. Say no to junk food. Unhealthy food are not good for our body. It makes us too much fat, sugar and nutrients. We should not make it a habit to eat junk food. We must carry healthy food in our tiffin too. Healthy foods are good for our body. It makes us feel good and give us lots of energy. Plants, animals and human beings need food to stay alive. We get food from plants as well as animals. The three main types of food are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. The three main types of foods are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Milk is a complete food. Dash is a complete food. Milk is a complete food. Water helps us to digest our food and throw the waste out of our body. Dash help us to digest our food and throw the waste out of our body. Water. We should respect the diversity of food habits. People of different age groups need different food and in different quantities. Children, you should read the lesson. Next day I will give the question and answers. Thank you.